All right, guys, some breaking XRP news just in. Cointelegraph reporting here early this morning. The SEC may acknowledge Grayscale's XRP ETF 19B4 filing by February 13th. That's tomorrow. And then Coin Bureau coming in saying tomorrow the SEC might give a nod to Grayscale's XRP spot ETF filing. Now, Grayscale filed back on January the 30th, and the SEC usually has about 15 days to respond. Keep in mind, a lot of filings happened just after Gary Gensler stepped away from the SEC. We have Hester Pearson there, and then soon Paul Atkins as well. If approved, we could see the first regulated XRP fund in U.S. markets. This would be a major breakthrough considering, Ripple, the company, has been basically, drugged through a lawsuit for the last 4 years. And this opens the door for institutional adoption no matter what. We just saw Grayscale file for a Cardano ETF. We've got a ton of assets that have been filed. HBAR, Litecoin, Solana, XRP, Cardano, and I think much, much more is coming, guys. Grayscale's move, though, to potentially bring in an XRP spot ETF, as this one commenter put here, is very significant. If the SEC gives the green light, it could pave the way for more regulated crypto funds. And this is where I really think it's going, right? Like basket ETFs, getting exposure to the top 20 assets, top 30 assets, top 40 assets. But remember, the road to regulation is paved with uncertainty. Stay sharp and keep your strategies flexible. And speaking of that uncertainty, well, the markets took a nice hit this morning because we got CPI data in recently. So news came in that U.S. inflation has risen to 3%. This is higher than expectations this morning. So I put out this post here early this morning already. Expect volatile crypto markets. It's exactly what we're witnessing. Huge wick down here on Bitcoin, all the way up here at 96.4 before the news came out. And now we're at 94.8 currently. We dipped all the way down to 94.2, all the way down from 96.4 to 94.2. We are bouncing up a little bit off that low, but this is to be expected. Volatile markets, anytime the CPI reading comes out. In terms of XRP, it too took a wick down. If we jump over the XRP chart here, you guys can see maybe we're finding some footing here, finding a floor. We had that, crazy DeepSeek news come out that tanked the markets like crazy, and it was an opportunity to knock out a lot of shorts. This is a lot of longs, rather. This is the weekly chart. So this wick down that you guys saw after the DeepSeek news, it wiped out a lot of long positions. Going to the daily, you guys can see here, that was back on Monday, the 3rd. And since that time period, though, been kind of trending sideways. We have regained our footing here on the daily chart. A little bit of a pullback here down to 235 this morning, but XRP hanging in there pretty nicely, is on a support line that was created back in January, and also, support line that was kind of here back in December as well. But XRP still looks extremely bullish, especially with this XRP ETF news. We know that the lawsuit itself could be getting closer and closer to being done. It's the top U.S. crypto asset by market cap. It's working in the RWA space. It fits all the narratives right now that I think are going to be where you want to invest your money right now in this bull run, given that it's such an institutionally driven bull run. We've got this whole new regime coming in with Trump and company. So it'll be interesting to kind of watch this play out slowly here over time, and very, very much interested in watching the charts here today and as it plays out the rest of the week. But CPI data is out. But the big news here, XRP ETF could be filed, could be basically approved. This could be a major breakthrough. Okay, if the SEC gives the nod to Grayscale's XRP ETF, I would be kind of shocked considering the lawsuit's still ongoing. But we shall see, because multiple people reporting this. 90% chance the SEC will approve Grayscale's spot ETF as early as Thursday, February 13th. Now, don't be shocked if it doesn't go through tomorrow. They're just saying it could be acknowledged by tomorrow. That would be like the 15-day period. Eleanor Tourette, who's usually all over this, responded to James Seifert here. New Eric Balkunas and I took at the filings for spot crypto ETFs. We're putting out relatively high odds of approval across the board, mainly focused on Litecoin, Solana, XRP, and Dogecoin for now. Here's the table with the odds that and some other details. So yeah, Dogecoin also could be getting an ETF. We could see the SEC acknowledge Grayscale's XRP spot ETF filing as early as Thursday. If indeed it chooses to acknowledge it, the SEC usually has around 15 days to acknowledge 19B4 filing, and Grayscale filed their conversion application on January 30th. Either way, it should give us a good idea of how the current SEC commission is thinking about XRP. So very, very interesting. This is going to be one to watch for sure. And we'll be keeping our eyes peeled on all of the news and information here regarding an XRP ETF. We know that this is one of the major catalysts out there, and this could bring in a ton of institutional money to XRP. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.